Well, after months of SEC celebrations, it was finally time for A&M fall football practice. They had their first practice on today, and it was also a certain head coach's special day. The first day of fall camp fell on head coach Kevin Sumlin's birthday, but the now 48-year-old head coach has no time for making wishes and blowing out candles.
There's going to be some changes in eating routines, practice times, being outside, and like I told them yesterday, last time I checked, we're not playing indoors. So we need to prepare for that.
We go faster. Before it was kind of at your own pace. You lift weights kind of at your own pace. Now it's just everything's all fast speed. Everything is, kind of simulates the game.
Meanwhile, the biggest battle going into practice is who will be A&M football's first SEC quarterback. But don't expect a clear-cut starter anytime soon.
Competition is wide open, and we will name a starter as late as 2 weeks before the first game, or maybe as early as 2 days by Sunday.
Many are skeptical of the team's ability to stop opposing offenses in the new conference, and that has A&M on the defense.
We always prepare to play the best, and we've always done that. It's a little bit different, but I think that there's nothing we can't handle.
Preseason really means nothing. That's just speculation and what everybody thinks, but that's why they play the game.
Anytime you're playing defense at Texas A&M, you have a standard. You have to have some sort of motivating factor based on the tradition of excellence on defense in the past.
We'll just have to wait and see. But for now, football, at least practice anyway, is back. In College Station, Lane Fobbs, ABC 40 Sports.